Hello there, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Will be explain about this presentation in my video. The powerful is management time. Will be Let me introduce myself. My name is Aitia Suryani. I am student and I stud in Polytechnic LP3 Bandung, and my major is Management Informatika. Many activities we can do. We need time to rest, to play, to study, or spend together with family, and many people. And what is need only good times management. Many people with previous character use their time according to their individual needs. Therefore, I got to the conclusion or reference or research from the several people who manage their time, each with a variety of the opinions. But before on the main topics, I have a story about time management. I am not a vigilant kid, especially about managing time well, but I know that time must be estimated. When I exercise, when I study, when I rest, which is more important when setting the time to play a little too far. Set the time is to the estimates time to small things. I am not a vigilant kid but I have the principle of having to estimate time well. Study at age and manual distance for home to campus takes 1 hour, but the bars always at 7 o'clock, so if predicts that might be late, and I am late, I will get to a penalty or can to go to class. And then don't copy something like this, okay? But if I left at 7:20 o'clock, I will be on time on to campus because I thought was ready. I had to be passed, and then so if the campus uses the starts to go up to the 3rd floor, I will definitely exercise because I to run to class. Okay, I have a question for you. How important is time? How important is time for you? Let's to comment in here, and then I can to research in the bar charts for the out of 100%, 58% of people rate things as important because according to them is priority, and time is money, and time is opportunity, and 5% for those who can still appreciate the time is money and the time important of time going on, and 17 of those who have not found it will get results for ultimizing good time. So I have to any question again for you. Do you always make a time schedule for tomorrow? In this pie chart, so the largest scale of 100% are 50 people always make a time schedule, and smallest scale is 9% of people doing activities without schedule times, and some of the possibilities 41 of them are partial. Sometimes there are always time schedule which are sometimes not. And what is a page making a time schedule? Number one, make activities more organized, and number two, team make the time efficient and priority, and number three, it will be better to manage your time as efficiently as possible, and number four, achieve activities in accordance with the objects. So how to strong does time management affect our life? If I had thought of choosing me to years ago study and continue study again, maybe now I can only work again to a high senior high school, and won't be able to understand programming, and won't be someone web design front end. If I did not make the most effective use of time, now I might because unemployed who will enter a new life and new family will be married. So time is management is powerful. Our lives priorities what you want to achieve with a schedule that haven't been made one by one and will be fully learned in accordance with the running time. I have quotes for you. The key lies in when you spend time, but in investing your time. Stephen R. Covey. Because you are reading life story through every moment times that you go through, and then enough. Thank you for watching, and see you. Don't forget like, subscribe, and comment that and share.